All units, be advised an armored car robbery observed on a roadway. Suspects are attempting to breach the vehicle. Several reports of shots fired. Respond code 3, 0345.
King 21, this is an active shooting. I want long guns and weapons free.
Ghost 22, Southeast.
Sam 81, copy en route.
On Palomino Avenue. In La Puerta.
Respond code 3.
Pencil erasers?
Yeah, Jim, he's stealing pencil erasers.
Units, be advised, silent alarm triggered at a known location. Unknown circumstances, BT 1853.
South of, near the Land Act Dam. On Nicola Place. In Mirror Park.
Welcome.
I think we're done here. Leaving with the victim now.
Members on a 1050 call. I'm on landline with the victim now. Will advise.
Tommy 1745. 1 Charles 13. All units, stand by. We have reports of a medical emergency. Stand by for more details. We have reports of a medical emergency. Stand by for more details.
On West Mirror Drive. In Mirror Park.
.5, 1085. I'm just chased a suspect into a blind alley. Now I'm blocking the exit with my cruiser, but looks like I'm going to need one more unit to take him into custody.
This is 6-8. Copy that.
Units, be advised, security detail reporting a developing situation, requesting immediate assistance.
On West Mirror Drive. In Mirror Park.
Roger that. We're on our way.
Wait, it's cool. I'm sorry.
10-4, 1950. 1 Charles 13, copy, I have you on scene.
Fleet is clear, no want to warn, and all clear.
1 Charles 13.
Unit 724, I'm 1087. I'm with a driver who's got no ID. I'm taking him into custody.
I'm 1023 at that missing manhole cover. Standing by until the replacement arrives.
We're getting reports of a suspicious vehicle. Unknown plate number observed near commercial district. Occupant appears to be observing businesses. More details to follow. 2135.
North of, the Court Center.
Copy that. Moving right
on
now.
Roy Lowenstein Boulevard. In Rancho, respond code 2.
Copy that, 1415.
1 Charles 13.
Copy, I have you on scene.
Copy. I'll send a unit your way. Sorry, any unit available on Roy Lowenstein Boulevard in Rancho.
I'll cover you.
Thanks.
What did you think was gonna happen?
Copy, all rowdy unit your way.
Roy Lowenstein Boulevard in Rancho.
Affirmative, sending a flatbed, Del Coach from the east side. Copy, all rowdy unit your way.
Roy Lowenstein Boulevard in Rancho.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Ten four.
1 Charles 13. All units, be advised an armored car robbery observed on a roadway. Suspects are attempting to breach the vehicle. Several reports of shots fired. Respond code 3, 0345.
Chain 21, this is an active shooting. I want long guns and weapons free.
Goes 22 copies.
Sam 81, copy en route.
Near the LS drainage channels on El Rancho Boulevard in El Burro Heights. On code 3.
We have a request for a 1085 traffic assist Stand by for more details.
On Little Bighorn Avenue. In Rancho.
Yeah, dispatch, I just found a guy.
We have a suspect escaped police custody, observed from a holding facility in a commercial district. Unknown is on foot or in a vehicle. Proceed with caution. More details to follow, 1430.
West of, Sanders Motorcycles.
On Vespucci Boulevard. Near Mission Row.
Dispatch, I'm code 3 to that bank, ETA 2 minutes. I got several more units coming in there.
10-4. 1 Charles 13.
Copy, I have you on scene.
It's over.
Copy and clear. 1530. Reports coming in of disturbing the peace. An unspecified situation creating a public nuisance. Additional reports are being received. Stand by. 1830.
Copy that 0901. 1 Charles 13.
Yeah, I have you on scene.
LSPD! Don't make me shoot ya! Go on! Damn devil got me struggling.
Copy, this is dispatch. Send it.
At 100 Bay Avenue, Vespucci Beach. Just some loud music. Solved.
Lincoln 1-8, copy code 4 at Bay City Avenue.